Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a favorite recipe of mine, this lemon blueberry smoothie. Start by adding 1 cup of frozen blueberries to a blender. Next, add in 1 cup of frozen mango and a heaping half cup of coconut milk. You can use any kind of milk that you like, but I really just love coconut milk for the flavor here. Next, zest 1 lemon into the blender, then add the juice of that lemon. I'm using a simple juicer here, but you can also just squeeze the juice in with your hands. Just be sure to avoid getting any seeds in the blender. Blend on high until smooth. Feel free to add a little bit more coconut milk as needed, as all lemons are a little bit different size, so you may need a little bit more liquid depending on the size of your lemon or how thick you like your smoothie. If you like super thick smoothies like me, using a blender tamper will help ensure everything is mixed well without having to add more liquid. Once it's blended, pour into a glass and it's ready to enjoy. I like to garnish this with a lemon slice and fresh blueberries, but this is totally optional. I hope you enjoy this lemon blueberry smoothie as much as I do. For more organic recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.